Hello friends, today we will study how to derive the cube roots of small to big numbers. I am Dr. Prema Bisatekan. This is the 24th class of Mathematics Tricks and Fun. Now what is a cube root? In simple words, cube root of a number is a number which when multiplied 3 times by itself gives the number. Cube root of 8 is 2 and cube of 2 is 8. Similarly, cube root of 27 is 3 and cube of 3 is 27. So, to find the cube roots quickly, we should have working knowledge of the cubes of at least unit digits. Now let us recollect them again. Cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343, cube of 8 is 512, cube of 9 is 729, cube of 10 is 1000. Now let us quickly brush up the steps in deriving the cube root. First, group the digits in groups of 3. If 1 or 2 digits are left, consider them as separate group. Find the first and last digit of the cube root. Digits 2, 3, 7 and 8 share their complements from 10 as the last digit. Digits 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0 have the same digit as the last digit of their cube. This is the algebraic explanation. We'll have to use this in deriving the cube roots of bigger numbers. A is taken as the unit digits here for calculation. A cubed, 3a squared b, 3ab squared plus 3a squared c, b cubed plus 3abc plus 3ac squared, and so on. In finding the cube root of a 4 to 6 digit number, there will be only 2 digits in the cube root. We will be using a cubed and b cubed. When 7 to 9 digit number, there will be 3 digits in the cube root. We will be using a cubed, 3a squared b, b cubed, and so on with increasing digit numbers. Here, cube root of 1331 is shown. There are 2 groups, 1 and 331. The first group, 1, is first digit. 1 cubed is 1, so first digit is 1. The second digit to last digit to find, 331 ends in 1. So, cube of a number which ends in 1, naturally it is 1. So the answer is 11. Then cube of a number, cube root of 2197. 2 and 197. The cube of a number which is less than 2, it is 1. Cube of 1 is 1. So first digit is 1. 197 ends in 7. So we have to find the cube of a number which ends in 7. that is 3. Cube of 3 is 27 and the cube root answer is 13. How to find the cube root of 33076161? This can be grouped into 3 groups. First group, there will be only 2 digits and 2 groups of 3 digits each. Number ends in 1. So the last digit is 1. Cube of 1 is 1. Naturally, the last digit of the cube root is 1. Now what about the first digit? The first group 33. So we should find a cube of a number which is less than 33. Cube of 3 is 27. So the first digit is 3. Now we have to find the middle digit. First we will deduct a cubed from the whole number. Now the number ends in 6. Now 3a squared b. We have to use 3, 1 into 1b equals 3b. Now find a number which on multiplying with 3 gives 6. That is 2. 3 2s are 6. So the middle number of the answer is 2. We can confirm this by 2 methods. First number, by proceeding further, deduct 6 as earlier. Now 3ab squared and 3a squared c, that is 3 into 1 into 2 into 2 equals 12 and 3 1 into c 3c. So 3c plus 12, deducting 12 gives 9 as the end digit. Now the digit on multiplying with 3 gives 9 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So the answer is confirmed 321. We can confirm this again by digital sum. The 321 multiply 3 times give and find the digital sum. It is 18 and 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. Digital sum of the original number when added gives 9. So the answer is correct. Here we have 2 examples. Cube of 405244. So naturally 2 groups of 3 digits each. The first group 405. So the cube of a digit lesser than 405 is 7. Cube of 7 is 343. Then the last digit, the end digit is 4. So the cube of 4 ends in 4, that is 64. So the cube root is 74. The question 465 7463 can be grouped into 3 groups. First group has 1 digit only and then 3 digits. The digit which is lesser than 4, the cube of a digit which is lesser than 4 is 1. So the first digit is 1 and the last group ends in 3. So a cube of a digit which ends in 3 is 7. So cube of 7 is 343. And now the middle digit we have to find in this. Subtract 343 from the n number, the last digits of the number 463 gives 30120 we will discard. So the new number ends in 2. The 3a squared b, that is 3 into 7 into 7b, that gives 147b. With which digit we should multiply 7 of 147 to get 2 as the last digit. Naturally, 6 sevens are 42. So 6 is the middle digit. So the cube root is 167. This is a 12-digit number 355045312 We can group it into 4 groups of 3 digits each. We'll get the first digit, the cube of a digit which is lesser than 355. 7, cube of 7 is 343. So the first digit is 7. The last digit we have to find. The group ends in 1. So naturally, the last digit is 1. Use 3a squared b. 3, 1 into 1b. 3b. Now deduct 1, cube of 1, naturally 1, from the original number. So the number is left with 4 as the ending digit. We have to find a digit which on multiplying with 3 gives 4 as the end number, last number. So 8 3s are 24. So 8 is the middle digit and we will deduct 24 from the original number 44 ending in 4, 44. So naturally the number ends now after deduction to 3122. Now use 3ab squared plus 3a squared c to get the middle digit c. So 3 into 1 into 1c plus 3 into 1 into 8 into 8, that is 192. Deducting 192 from 3122 gives 2930 ending in 0. Now c is 0. So the cube root is 7081. Thank you. In the coming class, we'll study a few more examples on cube root. Subscribe to my channel.